If you're like me and you live in an apartment and you own no power tools but have this beautiful Ikea mirror to hang, what do you do? Well, I have just a solution for you. You will need the following items to get started: 3M command strips, rubbing alcohol, and a microfiber cloth. First things first. Prepare the wall by cleaning it with the rubbing alcohol and the microfiber cloth and let it dry. Now prep the mirror. The mirror shown here is the Ikea Kolja mirror. Pardon my Swiss. I'll include the link in the description. To prevent the mirror from falling off the wall, I decided to remove the protective plastic wrap that covers the back of the mirror. This was a pain in the butt, and soon I gave up, then started again. Then I decided it would be easier to only remove the section that the strip would attach to. All done! Now it's time to clean the back of the mirror with rubbing alcohol to remove any residue. After it's all dry, it's time to attach the 3M command strips. These come in pairs of 2, so 4 sets in total. The ones featured here can hold up to 16 pounds. First step is to stick the Velcro type strip together until they click into place. Remove the sticky tape from one end, press firmly into the mirror for 3 seconds, then remove the second strip, attach it to the wall and apply pressure for 30 seconds. I applied pressure for a bit longer. Now it's time to remove the mirror from the strip and let it rest for an hour. Well, I applied so much pressure I couldn't get the mirror off, so I left it, and it's very secure. And voila! There you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and until next time, I'm Terrain,